Ready, Chicago. Here comes the boat that's splashing with all the energy of this wonderful city, aptly named Chicago Fires Up. If you look closely, why, there's Mrs. O'Leary's cow at the bow, dancing with a lit lantern. Watch out for that crazy bovine hoofing it alongside the flickering heads of flames, moving in rhythm to the fiery beat of Chicago. There's so much heat and combustion on this boat that one can see several of our trusty, brave Chicago firemen keeping everybody safe and cool in this hot, sizzling city. The city of constant rebirth. Chicago Fires Up is a floating, flashing example of creativity and teamwork. Now that's Chicago at its finest moment. Chicago Fire just keeps getting more fun.